Customer get mad at me. It's like, hey, yeah, where's Mr. Happy? Where's station lesson? Hey, you said you could continue then. Well, guess what? Bam! We got this. So guys, last time we got our old dump here, the World War II, and other people customers. Let's see what's after this promise. I didn't mean to labor it. Don't get mad at me because I don't care. Don't get mad at me. It was just an accident. Yes. No, where's like? Huh? Oh my gosh. There we go. Let's buy another one. Sorry. Yes. I said this like wait. Oh my gosh. Guess what? Sorry for the sounds like Teacher Rachel. My sister really needs her teacher Rachel. Okay, I think I do. I'm gonna merge those two stars. If you haven't seen my other video, watch it.
This is clapping.
No, not gonna clap. Okay, let's see. Fish. I hope the baby namulog's not there yet.
Let's clap it. Dada. Let's sign it.
Stop the war, stop it.
Dada.
Guys, unequip.
Good job. Can you do
I will tell you if I finally came back to Onk. Okay, we got Gangster, but we haven't unlocked Onk yet. So yeah, we're back. Also, you want to play some OG games like Scary Teacher, Dark Riddle, anything. Just watch an OG video. Even Hello Neighbor. But I cannot afford the other ones. Don't sell Minecraft because I only can do the Temu. Oh yeah, let's go buy now. Eh, nandito na si Baby Damulag. Uy, ayun na si Baby Damulag. Kami yan. Yan mo lang si Baby Damulag. Ah, you died. You dead. Dead. You dead. Okay, unequipped eh. Hinanap ko ng isa pang level 1. Level 1 nga. Kulit. Kulit mo. Pogi, merge na kayo. Ay, no, hindi. Mag-officer. Unequipped. We're back with the Onk. So, let's try to fight. Did it 2 times. Sheesh, trying to get that bar. Yo, Gramp is a gangster, so sharpshooter. Oh, what's reading for this? Yo, just. Yo, oh my. Yo, oh. Mafioso? So very pop stuff, but tawag yun, ito si Baby Damulag. Oh, let's go bombs. 2 times money. Sheesh, 6,000. Cotton grill in the house. Ihihi. Aray ko. Abilities. Look at ko 50k. Nghe. Ui. Oh, I don't want. Yun pala ang weapons. King Kong, Kung Kong, King Kong, King Kong, King Kong, King Kong, King Kong. Ay, isa lang dapat. Aray mo. Aray ko. Aray ko. Oh. Ang gagawin ko na. More damage. Sa level 3 lang. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure to like and subscribe, and bye-bye guys. I promise I will still continue Ninja Legends and also play OG games that you will like. But I cannot have the Poppy playtime. Please do not do Poppy playtime. Bye-bye.